Breaking gossip bulletin. Someone may have spilled the beans about Friday's surprise dessert, and now everyone knows it's tiramisu. Hi friends, Bruce here with English with Bruce. If this helps you level up, tap like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more. Do you ever say, tell the truth, when you really mean, reveal the secret? Different vibe. When it's about a hidden plan or a surprise, English has a perfect idiom. Spill the beans means reveal a secret, often accidentally or before you're supposed to. In Korean, you could say, 비밀을 누설하다. Business examples. Who spilled the beans about the product launch stage? It wasn't public yet. Don't spill the beans on the merger. Legal ones, strict confidentiality. Everyday examples. Grandpa spilled the beans about your birthday trip. Surprise ruined, but I'm still excited. If you spill the beans, at least pretend you didn't mean to. That's a wrap. Show love with a like, subscribe, and that bell. And come back Wednesday for our next business power phrases lesson. See you then.